What if that musty smell in your basement or those tiny dark spots on your bathroom wall are actually toxic invaders attacking your family's health right now? Most homeowners don't realize they're living with a silent enemy until it's too late. Mold isn't just unsightly. It's dangerous. And by the time you can see it, there might be 10 times more hiding where you can't. Here's what makes mold so scary. It releases invisible spores that trigger serious respiratory problems, worsen allergies, and weaken your immune system. Children and elderly family members are especially at risk. But here's the real issue. Most people make mold problems worse by trying to fix them the wrong way. They disturb the mold, release millions of spores into the air, and turn a small problem into a whole house nightmare. That's why we created this guide. In the next 3 minutes, you'll learn exactly how to handle mold safely when you can tackle it yourself, and the critical moment when you must stop and call professionals. Step 1. Recognize the warning signs. Mold loves to hide. Sure, black spots in your shower are obvious. But mold also lurks inside walls, behind furniture, under carpets, and in air ducts. Watch for musty odors, unexplained sneezing fits, or family members feeling tired for no reason. These could be your first clues. Step 2. Measure the threat. Size matters with mold remediation. If the affected area is smaller than 10 square feet, picture a 3x3 section. You might handle it yourself. Anything larger means you're in dangerous territory and need professional mold inspection immediately. Step 3. Protect yourself and your home. Going the DIY route. Gear up properly. Wear rubber gloves, safety goggles, and the minimum of N95 standard mask. Seal off the work area with plastic sheets and tape. You cannot let spores escape and contaminate clean areas of your house. Step 4. Clean the right way. Forget everything you've heard about bleach. It doesn't kill mold at the root level. Instead, use white vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, or EPA-approved mold removal products. Take your time to scrub thoroughly, rinse completely, and here's the crucial part, dry everything completely. Even tiny amounts of leftover moisture can restart mold growth within 48 hours. Step 5. Remove what can't be saved. Some materials can't be cleaned once mold takes hold. Carpet, insulation, drywall, and ceiling tiles are porous. Mold gets deep inside them. You have to cut out contaminated materials and dispose of them properly. Trying to clean and reuse them just spreads more spores. Step 6. Know when professionals are essential. Professional mold consultation becomes necessary when mold appears behind walls, inside HVAC systems, covers more than 10 square feet, or when anyone in your home develops health symptoms. Certified specialists don't just clean surfaces. They track down moisture sources, prevent future growth, and restore healthy indoor air quality. Here's what most homeowners don't understand. Professional mold testing and remediation saves you money long-term. DIY mistakes often make problems worse and more expensive to fix later. When you work with certified mold removal experts, you get complete moisture control, proper containment, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing your family is breathing clean, healthy air again. Don't gamble with your family's health. If you're dealing with mold concerns right now, get expert guidance before you make costly mistakes. The Mold Hotline connects you with certified mold inspection professionals who understand exactly what you're facing. We provide honest assessments, practical solutions, and the expertise you need to protect your home and family. Ready to breathe easier? Contact our hotline at 1-877-237-1870. That is 1-877-237-1870 for mold remediation services today. When it comes to mold removal, experience makes all the difference. Your healthy home is just one call away.